Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, ClickFunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video, and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Okay, in this video, we're going to be going in depth in the page editor, and I'm going to be showing you how to add different elements and edit things in your funnels to make it very simple. Again, you can do all this stuff. It's very simple. Don't get overwhelmed, even if you've never built any sort of web page before or website. Super simple, and you can save so much time and money by doing it yourself. You can do this. You can learn this. So let's get started. I'm going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to go add new, and I'm going to say just create new funnel, create a custom funnel, and we'll call this sample page editor. And we'll call this samples, just to keep it organized, and then we'll go build funnel. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add an opt-in page, okay? So let's just see if we can just do a blank one. I don't know if they allow you to do a blank one. Let's choose I'm looking for one that's very basic so I can just easily delete everything. Let's just use this one. Okay, so I'm going to delete everything, and then I'll show you how we're going to build it back. So we'll go into edit page, and then we'll go in and we'll just delete everything and start from scratch. So I'll go delete, and so we have a blank page. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is add a new section. So this one, I'm going to make it a full width section, and then you have to add a row. So I'm going to add 2 columns. Sometimes you have to click it a couple of times. And so right here, I'm going to add an image. Right here, I'm going to add a headline. And then I want to add a subheadline. And I'm going to add a video. And I want to add a email form, so an opt-in form. So we go down to input, okay, and then I want to add a button to submit the email form, okay. So you can see I've got, let's also add a timer on here. So this is a countdown timer, okay, and we'll set it to be, I want to use, these timers are kind of tricky. The one that I use is not a countdown, it's a minute timer, okay? So we'll delete that other one. And on this one, let's set it to be 12 minutes and 42 seconds. And this again is used for prompting someone to do something in a set amount of time. So anyway, that's timer. So on this, let's just start with the different things that you can do. So you can set up obviously the time that you would like it to show when someone comes to the page. Let's choose a theme, and they actually have themes of each of these elements typically that you can change to. So I like this one. Let's choose that one, and then advanced, size, medium. Let's say large. Let's say small. And then all these different things. So we've customized that, okay? So at this point, let's save that page. And right here, let's do an image. So if you click right here, it will take you to the library. So these are things that you've added and uploaded right here. You can also search for images from Pixabay, Icon Finder, or Unsplash. Let's just choose, let's say woman smiling. So let's see. I like music, so let's choose that one. And next we want to add some alt text in. So this is shown, if you highlight over it, you can see, text for a given image. So let's just call this person Mandy Smith, country singer. I'm just totally making this up. I have no idea who this person is, but we're just going to build a country singer opt-in form. You can change the width or whatever here. That'll be good for now. And then right here, we want to add a call to action. So let's say, join my fan club for free. Okay. Maybe we want to make this a different color. So we'll highlight this, and you can notice that this is bold. So there's different colors that you can set for bold or not bold. So for bold, let's make it, what would look good? Let's just make it like a dark gray. Okay. So that looks pretty good. Next, get my latest single plus autographed pic. Okay, and then let's change the font size of this to be smaller so it doesn't wrap. So font size right here, you just take it down a little bit to wherever it looks good, and let's change the font color on this one to be, why don't we make it this color? Okay, and so we have our header, headline, our subhead, we have our picture, we had our alt text, we have a timer, a countdown timer, and if you want to move this, all you have to do is just pull it and drop it above. If you want some space there, you click on the thing below it and add a little space. Okay, and next let's go to let's add a YouTube video here. Okay, so we'll search for country song, and let's do this one. Let's see what comes up. So these are different playlists. Let's just say this is one that we want. So pause that, and what you do is you just copy and paste the URL of the video on YouTube, and you go in here and you choose YouTube or whatever it is. Do you want to autoplay? Let's say no. Controls on. Branding, let's say no. What size do we want? That looks okay for now. And you see the different themes. Let's say we like this one. Okay, and then advanced, full width, padding, all that stuff's fine. Okay, so let's add a little space above it. Okay, and then email address. So this, you'll have to have your integration set up, but on here you can say input type is email, and then enter your email address here. It's required. You can choose these if you like. I usually don't. All this stuff. So anyway, you've got your email address there. Next, click here to join for free, and let's make it bigger. So we'll increase the font size. Let's change the color to match what we just used. So recently used colors, it's right there. The subtext, you're going to love it. Let's just say, so you can see that it adds that text down below. That looks pretty good. And then you want to go in here and you can look at the different themes, the layouts. all the different features that you can customize it. Set action. So what you'll want to do is you can make it either open a pop-up that you designed, or opt in on Facebook, or go to any URL. What we're going to do is have it submit the form and go to the next page. Okay, so that will allow you to save the email to your autoresponder and then automatically take them to the thank you page where they can get whatever you promised to them. So that submits the form. You can just go to the next page in funnel or whatever you want to do, but we're going to do that for now. What else could we add on here? So if you want to add a footer, you'll just go into section, add section, and then we'll make that a full-sized section. Let's actually put it down here. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Let me make this a little smaller so I can see it. So this is the bottom of the previous section. We'll add another one, full width, and it builds it down here. And then we'll do another row, one column, and then we'll just do a subheadline. And down here is where you can add stuff like 2019 copyright. Let's take the size down a little bit on this. Make it, let's say 18, and then you'll have something like privacy, terms of service, contact us, whatever. Okay, just make it look like you like, and then you can highlight this and add your links to your different pages. So privacy policy, you can add it to website.com, privacy, whatever it is, and then that's in there. And you can also change that font from the blue or whatever you'd like it to be. So basically that's how you use everything that you need to know in the page editor. It's just all in the different elements. So when you click on any element, you just go in settings or themes or advanced, and that's where it is. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Again, the ClickFunnels support, if you need to find out exactly how to do any feature or functionality, their support is always available down here at the bottom, and you can go in there, and typically if it's during business hours, they're there and they can chat with you, and they'll be able to answer any questions you have and help you get set up. I always recommend starting with a pre-designed template, because that way you don't have to worry about any of the matching the colors, making it look good, choosing the fonts, choosing font sizes, choosing the different elements. What I was doing here was just to show you, if you started from complete scratch and you wanted to build something that's uniquely yours, how to do that, how to add in the features that you're going to be using most often, like pictures, videos, countdown timers, text, buttons, that kind of stuff, and be able to do that. You can do all of this stuff. It's not hard. You just have to get in there and practice and play around with it. Don't be scared of creating funnels and messing them up or whatever. You've always got this undo button right here. And so anyway, it's an awesome tool. Again, if you have any questions, ask ClickFunnels support. You can ask questions in the private Facebook group as well. But I'm always here to help you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching to the end of this video. And you can do this. It's a wonderful tool, and it's going to make you a lot of money. So again, this is the ClickFunnels Page Editor, and I'll see you in the next video.